Most people trying to enter cybersecurity are making one massive mistake. They are learning random tools from random YouTube videos without understanding what companies actually expect from a real cybersecurity professional. And that's where most of the students get stuck. Because today, companies are not only hiring ethical hackers, they are looking for professionals who understand cloud security, SOC operations, threat hunting, DevSecOps, then automated security workflows, and AI-assisted monitoring. So in this video, I'm going to show you an 8-month cybersecurity program that is designed exactly around these industry requirements. So this is Cloud Security and Cybersecurity Professional Program by Networkers Home, Bangalore. And what makes this program different is that it's not designed like a traditional theory-based certification course. It's structured like a complete career transformation roadmap, starting from network fundamentals to all the way to cloud security, SOC operations, DevSecOps, AI-assisted projects, and placement preparation. Right now, the cybersecurity industry is changing very fast. Earlier, learning only networking or ethical hacking would be sufficient to enter into the field. But today, the enterprise environments are running on AWS, containerized infrastructure, Kubernetes, SIM platforms, automated security workflows, and AI-assisted monitoring, which means the companies are looking for professionals which can work across both cloud security and cybersecurity environments. This is why this program combines cybersecurity, cloud computing, and cloud security into one structured learning path. So now let's look at what you will learn in the 8-month cybersecurity program. So as you can see here, you will learn about Linux and ethical hacking, penetration testing, AWS cloud operations. You will understand where you'll be working with EC2, S3, VPC, IAM, Lambda, then working with cloud security and DevSecOps, right? Containers and Kubernetes security, you will be working where you'll understand how to secure the containerized workload with Docker hardening, Kubernetes role-based access control, network policies. Then you'll also be working with the SOC operations and threat hunting, right? Then what are the tools and technologies that will be covered here? So if we talk about tools and technologies covered, you will be learning about Kali Linux, Nasus. These are all cybersecurity tools, right? Kali Linux, Nasus, Burp Suite, Metasploit, Nmap, Wireshark, AWS Cloud will be there, Terraform, Docker, Kubernetes, right? Python, Splunk, ELK, then GuardDuty, OWASP Zap will be there, OpenWAS, CloudWatch, Git and GitHub, IAM, SIEM, and SOAR platforms you will be learning. So these are number of tools, and these are not all. There are many more tools you'll be learning throughout the course, right? Then let's see how the entire roadmap is there. So here you can look at the curriculum, the entire 8 months curriculum that is there month by month. So initially you start with the IT networking and security foundation where you study with CCNA about all the network fundamentals, right? You get to understand about the IT infrastructure fundamentals. Okay, some OS basics, you get to know about them. You learn TCP/IP, DNS, DHCP. Okay, so number of protocols and security principles you will understand here. Then month 2 where you go with the Linux and ethical hacking. So for ethical hacking or cybersecurity, you need Linux knowledge, we give it to you, right? So Linux system administration for security professionals, user management, right? Then you understand about permissions, privilege escalation, you get familiar with the Linux command line, shell scripting, okay? Then about ethical hacking and frameworks, vulnerability scanning with Nasus or OpenWAS, right? So these all things you will be learning. So month 2 you will be ready with the Linux and ethical hacking, and then later on we dive deeper. So then comes the next penetration testing. So about penetration testing, you understand what are the different methodologies, right? Penetration testing and exploitation for network, password cracking, web application security is there, Metasploit framework, and how do you write a professional report with remediation guidance, right? So these all things you understand. Then month 4, you jump into the cloud computing. So month 4, we focus more on the cloud part where you learn about EC2, S3, VPC, RDS, Lambda, IAM fundamentals where you talk about users, role, policies, what are the best practices you should use, how do you manage the costs of cost management for AWS you understand, right? Then cloud networking, you understand about VPC design, subnets, route tables, NAT, CloudWatch, and cloud architecture patterns. So month 4, we dig deeper into the cloud. Then month 5, we talk about cloud security and DevSecOps. Now we are already familiar with the cloud part. So you can jump into cloud security, right? So you understand about cloud security architecture principles, okay, code security about Terraform and cloud formation, right? Then secret management and encryption strategies are there. You see guard duty, security hub, config, CI/CD pipeline, and compliance frameworks you understand here. Then coming to month 6. So month 6, we go deeper into cloud security. So advanced cloud security and container security you understand. So how you perform container security using AI, where you talk about Kubernetes security, service mesh security, data exfiltration prevention strategies. Okay, Docker security you understand, how you harden the Docker, right? Container image scanning and vulnerability management, cloud native threat detection patterns, okay, and number of AI powered projects you do here. Okay, then month 7 is about your cybersecurity and SOC preparations. So you study about the SOC operations here in the month 7. So SOC fundamentals and analyst workflows, log analysis, correlation techniques, threat hunting methodologies, then SIM administration, where you study about Splunk and ELK, okay, incident detection and triage, then phishing analysis and email security. Okay, so this is just a brief given here. Then month 8 is about all your career preparation. Now you have gone through all the different technologies. You studied network fundamentals, you studied cloud computing, cloud security, you studied about advanced cloud security, then you studied about cyber security, right? All the different concepts are there with you now. It's time to prepare for the career, right? So here you get to know about the resume building for cloud security and cyber security rules. There are different technical preparations, okay? So technical interview preparations are given to you, where you prepare for the interviews with scenario-based questions, and questions that are in general similar kind of questions are asked in the interviews, right? Industry certification guidance is there, like if you want to go for AWS Security Plus or CH certification, GitHub portfolio, HR interview coaching and salary negotiation techniques, right? Placement assistance and company connections. So month 8, you're already and equipped with the knowledge. So now you prepare for the career. Okay, so that's how the entire curriculum is. So these are the cloud security and cyber security program highlights, where you see full stack cloud security with AI and machine learning integration is there. Monthly AI based security tool development projects are given to you. Hands-on training is there. You use different AI tools like OpenAI, Claude, and different other advanced or AI models like EMI, etc. Then industry aligned curriculum, which is mapped to the hiring rules. AI integrated learning from month 1. Okay, month 1 onwards, you study about the AI program. So your learning is AI integrated from month 1 onwards. Then there are 300 plus lab exercises with 24/7 rack access. Then the target career roles for you guys would be cloud security engineer, SOC analyst L1 and L2, DevSecOps engineer, cloud operation engineer, cybersecurity analyst, and security automation engineer. So these are the roles for which you would be eligible, and these are very high in demand roles. Okay, then talking about the salary figures. So as you can see, as an entry level, you can expect the salary between 6 to 10 LPA. Then mid level, you can expect from 12 to 20 LPA. Okay, senior level, if you have 5+ years of experience, then you could expect from 20 to 35 LPA. Okay, and there is a career growth. Okay, as the more experience you get, the more skilled you are, the growth is exponential here. Okay, so in this 8 months program, you get approx 200+ hours of live training, then 400+ hours of real lab, okay, and 8+ portfolio project you get ready with, you get equipped with. Okay, the more in detailed curriculum is present on the website, where you can look at what kind of labs you will perform, what kind of project will be there. Okay, then what kind of topics are covered, like in the IT networking and security foundation. Again, you learn about infrastructure fundamentals like racks, switches, routers, firewalls, hypervisors. Okay, then networking protocols like TCP/IP, DNS, DHCP, STDP, STDPS, ARP, ICMP. These all sort of protocols you learn, right? Then OS system internals, and then security principles, threat landscape, and framework surveys there. With that, you have a real lab, portfolio project is there. Okay, and then what kind of interview preparation, what kind of interview questions are being asked. So you get equipped with that also, because in general, whenever we are taking sessions in the classes, so we inform you about what kind of questions can be there from a certain topic in the interviews. So you could mark them as important and you could focus more there, right? And your interview preparations start from the month 1 itself. Okay. Then gradually you see that month 2, month 3, all the programs are explained here. Then you can see that month 2, again, Linux Mastery and Ethical Hacking Foundation is there with all different sort of topics, what topics are covered. Linux command line, Bash and Python scripting, user management, file permission, ACL. Okay. Then what is the process model, privilege escalation, okay, Recon and OS int, right? Open source intelligence, vulnerability scanning using NASS, OpenVAS and NICLI. So all these different sort of tools you study. Once you are familiar with the tools, then you move on to penetration testing, where you focus on web penetration testing and network penetration testing. Then cloud computing and AWS operations in the month number 4, because as we know, AWS dominates 60% of Bangalore cloud. Okay, and even worldwide, AWS is dominating, right? Then again, month 5, we have the cloud security and DevSecOps, okay, with all the real labs, portfolio projects, and interview questions. Okay, then we have container and Kubernetes security present, right? So month 6, you focus on container and Kubernetes security, where Docker hardening, Kubernetes security, container image scanning using tools like Trivi, Gripe, Anchor Engine and Claire. These all tools you discuss. After that, month 7 is all about SOC operation and incident response, where you work on SOC tools. Okay, you understand about SIM tools, how they work, how you make queries, okay, how they are deployed in the enterprise. So those all things you understand. Once that is done, month 8 is all about your career launch, capstone and internship. So that's your career making roadmap from month 1 to month 8. So one thing that stands out in this program is the heavy focus on practical implementation. So the students don't just learn concepts, they work on hands-on labs, simulations, AI-powered security projects throughout the program. Another major focus area is about career readiness. So the final phase of the program includes resume preparation, GitHub portfolio building, mock interviews, technical interview preparation, and placement support. This roadmap is aligned towards the roles like SOC analyst, cloud security engineer, DevSecOps engineer, cybersecurity analyst, and SOC engineer, which are among the fastest growing job roles in today's enterprise technology ecosystem. So here, you're not just getting the 8 months live cybersecurity program. Along with that, you get certain add-ons. So what are those add-ons? You get access to nhprep.com, which is a 12 months pass. Separately, if you go for it, it costs you around 8,000 rupees per year, but this is included with the program itself. Then real production grade lab stack. Okay, you get access to 300 plus tools. You get to practice all those tools. Then 3 months paid internship is also included. Monthly founder AI workshop is there, where you get a free sheet to attend those workshops, and also placement guarantee and alumni network is included with the course. So if you're someone who wants to build a serious long-term career in cybersecurity and you want a roadmap that goes beyond basic ethical hacking, this cloud security and cybersecurity program is worth exploring. The link to the course you will find in the description below. So go through the complete curriculum, explore the roadmap, and understand how the complete training is structured. I hope this gives you an idea about current industry trends and where the market is heading. For more, keep watching Networkers Home.